everyone, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I will be unboxing the March Planner Society kit. So let's jump right in. I had previously opened this kit, gone through it, so I do know what's inside it, so I can show it to you. So here are the papers. This first one is this beautiful floral. And the other side of that is this floral as well. Then we have the swans. And the other side of the swans is this black and white. And then we have this other black and white. And the other side of that is this pretty floral. And it's a really pretty pale lavender color there. And then the specialty papers, there's this acetate that has the birds on it. It's kind of hard to see. There is 2 vellums, the typewriters, and the luggage stacks. Alright, let's get into the kit. So to start with, this is the bag that the stickers actually in the kit come in this month. There are sticker kits, add-ons that you can do to your box every month. I do not do them because I just wasn't using them, so I opted out of those last year some point. And everything is individually packaged, and I have yet to receive a kit that's not a good quality. Does not have good quality in it. So there's some deco with birds and flowers and an umbrella. Here is some more deco, and then some more deco and some like little labels, like appointment labels and stuff like that. And finally, the last sheet of deco, some dresses and telephones, florals and typewriters. This month features the clear vinyl pockets. These have been done in previous months. I think this is the 3rd time these have been done now. So we've got the first one is this pretty floral abstract. The next one is the black and white. And the next one is the swans. And finally, the last one is the lavender floral. And these are vinyl pockets. So you can peel them off of here, stick them on dashboards or in your TN and planner, and then use them as pockets for receipts or die cuts, whatever you feel like. Every kit comes with a roll of washi. There is also a washi kit add-on. So this month's washi is the swans here. Let me find the end of the roll. It's right here. There it is. Very pretty. I like her washi. I think she does a good job with it. Die cuts. This month's die cuts. The whole kit is very, I won't say it's Easter because it's definitely obviously not Easter, but it's very springtime. The colors are very springtime and soft, so they kind of Easter colors. So these are the die cuts. They're a little bit heavier duty, probably 80-pound paper. But you've got a little bug, swan, typewriter, luggage stacks, flowers, an umbrella, a little umbrella, and almost like a bedside arrangement there. A telephone, another flower, alarm clock, another swan, a VW bus with flowers in it, a camera, and some more florals, some clothes. Oops, dropping flowers. Another camera, umbrella, another typewriter, one of those sort of hanging flower decorations, some hydrangeas, another dress, more florals, and then these are the journaling cards for this month. We have, Kindness Changes Everything. And this is like a champagne gold foil. There's Stop Wishing and Start Doing. One day or day one, you decide. Hustle and Heart will set you apart. You are loved. Confidence has no competition. So all of these they're really pretty. This one's kind of strange because like that word one has a capital letter on it, but none of the others start with a capital letter, but that's okay. They're still really pretty. I like them. Next we have some sticky notes. And then we have the divider tabs. Now these are, let me show you a little bit about these. I saved the backer cards for all this stuff because you can use them. Obviously they're all printed really nicely. So here are the clear plastic labels for your tabs. And then the tabs feature, they're just paper, so they're not self-adhesive. You have to use an adhesive on there. But they are scored, so they do fold easily. Tabs feature all the different prints for the month. In usually I've seen it in 2 scales, and every so often you'll get the prints with like a different color story. Like this one, the lavender's a little bit darker than it is there, and it's definitely darker than it is here, but it's all kind of that same color story. I guess there's saturation of the hue on that one. So, but there's the divider tabs, and these you can use them everywhere. Like I've used them in recipe card, like file folder type things, so you can use them all. Alrighty, next are these things. I don't even know what to classify these as. They're kind of like divider tabs as well, except instead of being little like that with a selection of labels, you get notes, week, lists, hello, today, and to do, and you get them in the champagne gold, and then you get them again in the prints. So there's to do, there's today, hello, lists, week, and notes. These are really cool to make dashboards. There you go, the words I'm looking for, or for the covers of your different inserts. Here are some flips. One in the purple and the other in the black and white, and then the like I said again, the sort of champagne gold for the clip itself. And these are, you can see they're felt backed, so they're soft and kind of squishy. Now that they're out of their wrapping, they might poof up a little bit, hold their shape a little bit more. But so there's the bows. Just like that. Okay, enough. All right, and here is a large sticker decal. I think this is the third time I think I've seen this. And this time it's a swan. She's pretty. And these, you can kind of see how they are all stuck to a sticker there that you pull that off. And I've seen people use these on the outside of their sticker books, inside their sticker books on dashboard, or excuse me, planners, inside their planners on dashboards, all sorts of stuff. So we get that. Here is the pen for this month. It's rose gold hardware. This is the second time she's done this pen, and I guess the first time she did it, it didn't have a shirt clip on it, pell clip, whatever they call these, and people were like, "Oh yeah, that pen is great. It'd be even better if it had a clip on it." So this time she did it with a clip on it. It is a gel pen. It's got a little dealie on it there. I don't want to pop it open just yet. And then it features 2 of the prints from this month. So there's the pen. Very nice. And the last thing in this month's kit is a sticker book. Now, so far this year, all of the stickers that have shown up in the kit have been this size. And they don't fit in previous sticker books that have come in kits. And so this is kind of nice to have because the pages are now tall enough to accommodate these sticker sheets. And the sticker sheets from the February kit and the sticker sheets from the January kit. So, and then these pages are front and back. You can see there. So you don't have to double up. And then of course these books themselves, it's just like a PU leather, L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather. English is my first language, really. I've seen in the past there's videos on how to take out the hardware and remove these inserts, and then of course you can string it with your own elastics and turn it into, this would be a pocket sized. If you were gonna, you could turn it into a traveler's notebook. But so it's got the lavender flowers on the outside and this black and white on the inside. And really the colors on the outside and the inside of this are about the same. It's kind of all this sort of cool lavender color gray with black and white. So anyway, so there's a sticker book that came in this month's kit. All right, so this is it. This is the March Planner Society kit. If you stayed with me through the whole video, thank you guys so very, very much. Hit the thumbs up below if you liked it. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you receive an email from YouTube whenever I post new content. Otherwise, have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you guys again soon. All right, bye.